Oh my god.
Yeah, yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, or the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me, I get devoured. Oh, when you do what you do, I'm proud. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You set me upon a counter, instantly it's done a shower.
My hair is long as fuck. Get the hair from my motherfucking scalp all the way down to my pussy, bitch.
So bad when she hear Charlie Black songs, them each time she carry on so bad.
And if you wonder if I hate you, I do.
You know what's crazy? I've never seen a pretty Indian girl tell me this. Y hay muchas cosas puedo decir, pero voy a cerrar mi boca. And use the rest of this video to promote one of my businesses. Si tú quieres mejorar tu pelo como yo. But seriously, if you have any issues with your hair like traction alopecia, stagnant hair growth, dry or itchy scalp, I got you. Anyone can use it, men, women, locks, braids, protective styles, wigs, anything. Any hair texture can use it. We don't discriminate at Ayure. We ship to most places and have island-wide delivery in Jamaica and throughout the Bahamas. This is the Instagram page if you have any questions. With that being said, I'm so many things, and I'll be damned before I let anyone on the internet tell me what I'm not.
Using my growth oil for a hard oil treatment.
Yo, I got this ting from London, West London, Chelsea near Kings Road. She don't care about my area code, she's about like.
Silly of me to think that you could ever really want me to. How I love you. You're just a lover I can score. I know that. Na 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 na, oh yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh, I want to love you, babe.
It's let me see you wow, 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 wow.
I know that you've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. In my imagination, I'll be all up on you. I know you got that fever for me, 102. And boy, I know I feel the same, my temperature's through the roof.